Today, we want to talk to you about the Gage Max. So we're talking about 3D metrology. We're talking about the most accurate of the FARO family of arms. Explain to us what you're doing here in terms of parts and what is the value of bringing the arm to measure in here instead of breaking the part, taking it to the CMM and measure over there.
Okay, well, this is a spindle, two bearing surfaces here and here. We have to machine them concentric to each other. In order to do that, inside the machine, we're cutting one side with one tool, cutting the other side with another tool because of the setup. When I go ahead and machine it, I have no way of measuring it in the machine. So at that point, once I've cut, I'm blind. I have to take it out of the machine, bring it into the CMM room, have them measure these surfaces to make sure they're concentric, and how far they're off, if they are off.
Right.
And then I would adjust the machine, put this back in, but that's the problem. When I put it back in, it's not going to be in the same place because we're working with 3/10,000ths of an inch.
Yeah.
Very small numbers.
So in other words, while you machine, you stop, you check with a gauge. So obviously the idea is to introduce 3D metrology. Sure, there is a place and time for these, right? Traditional instrumentation. But if you have the capability to bring the machine, the CMM machine, to your setup, you don't have to break that setup.
Correct.
And you introduce 3D metrology to the game. So folks, the FARO Gage Max, portability, accuracy, best tool for the shop floor.